Okay, lesson 10.5, real estate taxes. The objective is to calculate the assessed value in real estate taxes for a home. Real estate taxes are taxes collected by the city or county from homeowners to pay for roads, parks, schools, government offices, and other services. The assessed value is the dollar value a tax assessor assigns to a property for taxation purposes. If at any time you need to press pause or rewind, please do so. Okay, moving right along. The tax rate is a percent of income, sales, or property value collected in taxes. Tax rate on property is sometimes expressed in mills per dollar of the property's assessed value. Percents are out of 100, based on 100. Mills are based on 1,000. Anytime you move a percent, you move the decimal 2 places left. With mills, you will move it 3 places to the left. Market value is the price at which a property can be bought or sold. Your rate of assessment is the percent of a property's market value that is taxed. And you have a couple formulas. Assessed value equals market value times rate of assessment. And real estate tax equals the tax rate times the assessed value. All right. First example, the Madison County tax assessor determined that the market value of Cortland Farm is $340,000. The rate of assessment in the county is 40% of the market value, and the tax rate is 50.73 mils. Calculate the assessed value, the tax rate as a decimal, and the real estate tax. Okay, first thing we need to do, find the assessed value. The market value of Cortland Farm is $340,000. Market value basically means what you can sell it for, any day. To find the assessed value, take 340,000 times 0.4. Okay, that's the assessment rate of the county. You come up with $136,000. Now, part B. Find the tax rate as a decimal. Your mills, 50.73 mils. I've already said that mills are based on 1,000. Okay, this is the only time I'm actually going to write mills out of how we solve it. 50.73 divided by 1,000 is all you do. Essentially, you move your decimal 3 places to the right. 0.05073. Okay? Basically what this means is for every $1,000 of value of a house, you have to pay $50.73 in taxes. Okay? Part C. Finally, find the real estate tax. Take the assessed value of $136,000 times your mill rate, and you get estate taxes or property taxes, $6,899.28. Okay, now this is problem 1, 2, and 3 on your homework. It says the tax rate for problems 1 through 3 is 65.5 mils, market value is $70,000, and rate of assessment is 40%. Go ahead and push pause, work problems 1, 2, and 3, resume when you're ready. Okay, let's go ahead and work this. All right, number 1, we need to find the assessed value. Market value of the home is $70,000. The assessment rate is 40%. 70,000 times 0.4, $28,000. Okay? That was number 1. Number 2, my mill rate. Well, since my mill rate is 65.5 mils, and remember what I said, anytime you have a mill, you have to move your decimal 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, my tax rate as a decimal is 0.0655. Okay, finally, number 3, real estate tax. Take 28,000 times 0.0655. Your answer is 1,834. Okay, example 2. Gilberto and Christina Espinoza pay $3,188.16 in annual property taxes. The rate of assessment for their tax district is 45%. The tax rate is 46 mills. What is their property's market value? Okay, we're going to let Y equal the market value. Okay, we're going to let Y equal the market value. My rate in mills is going to be, well, if we have 46 mills, remember, move the decimal 3 places to the right, 0.046 mills. Okay, let's go ahead and set this up. If they pay $3,188.16 in taxes, all you need to do is take the assessment percent, which is 45% in decimal form, so 0.45 times the mill rate, 0.046 times Y. Okay, go ahead and set that up and solve for it. 0.45 times 0.046 is 0.0207 Y. Divide both sides by 0.0207. And you come up with $154,017.39 equals Y. That is the market value of my house. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. Try number 4. Peter and Kay Thibault pay annual real estate taxes of $3,270. The tax rate in their tax district is 62 mills, and the rate of assessment is 54%. What is the Thibault property's market value? Okay, go ahead and press pause, and when you're ready to, when you have the problem work, go ahead and resume. Okay, let's work this out. All right, so we're going to set it up the same way we just did the example problem. We're going to let Y equal the market value. Okay, we're going to identify my mill rates. Well, if I have 62 mills in decimal form, remember, move your decimal 3 places to the left, 0.062. All right, now let's go ahead and set it up. $3,270 equals the assessment rate, which is 0.54 times 0.062 times Y. $3,270 equals 0.03348 Y. Divide both sides by 0.03348. And you get $97,670.25 equals the market value of your house. Okay, one more example. John Stringham pays $4,650 in annual real estate tax. The tax rate in his district is 57 mills, and the rate of assessment is 37%. What is John's property value? Again, press pause. When you're ready to resume, press play. Okay, here we go. Again, identify your variable. So y is the value, my mills. My mills are 0.057 because I moved my decimal 3 places to the right. Set it up. $4,650 equals my rate of assessment, 0.37 times 0.057 times y. Okay? 0.37 times 0.057. 4650 equals 0.02109 y. Divide both sides by 0.02109. 4650 divided by 0.02109 is $220,483.64 equals y as the market value. Okay? Very good. Your assignment is lesson 10.5, page 389, 1 through 14, and 18. And quick reminder on this, if you have something like 56.18 mils, understand that that is the same as $56.18 per $1,000 of assessed value. Okay? Get busy.